Zamunga was once a shining jewel of the western plains. Palm trees swayed, clear streams sprinkled, and children's laughter filled the air. And this is my story.
A long, long time ago,
Zamunga was a land flowing with milk and honey. It was blessed with beautiful houses, green vegetations, animals, beautiful women, and it was the most enviable lands in all the clans. At evening, the women gather to sing, and coming back from school when it rains was fun. And when the rain stops, we sit beside the fire to get our body warmed. But one day, we had gunshot at the bush path on our way back home. We ran for our dear lives. 3 of my brothers were killed in cold blood. I ran as fast as I could, but something happened. I fell down. I was caught and chained like a dog. I wept. My village was scattered. Everyone ran for their dear lives. We were taken into captivity. We screamed in agony. But help did not come. Chains were put on our necks as animals. We walked like beasts every day. And after 30 years of labor and suffering,
and I was released back to my people.
Zamunga was never the same again.